and does that.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Do your parents still go into camp?
Yeah, but they want to make it, I don't know, I think they want to change it or something. Having a lot of problems.
Tent is?
Yeah.
Like losing money?
Yeah.
Well, God, if they wouldn't make it so GD expensive.
You don't need your hat. You don't need your hat. Whoa.
Whoa. That was close. Good catch.
That was like the head in the cement if
Yeah.
I've ever seen it.
You want to check it?
Okay.
Good catch.
One,
Together.
two.
Hey, come on the way in.
Okay, Daddy, your turn.
Hey, leave your hat.
Hi, buddy. Can you smile for everyone?
I know, if you really want to put your hat
Hi. Hi. Oh, I didn't get that. Oh, she
Well,
went
you gotta
under.
do it again because that face is priceless.
Look at. Here goes Vivian. Good job.